deliver about major problems. Our SQC team has identified 10 major problems affecting the school environment and student life. Through our analysis, we aim to focus our all the efforts on the most critical issues. The problems we identified are smelly or untidy toilets, lack of teamwork and cooperation, low participation in ECA activities, students getting into relationships, not completing homework regularly, student weak in studies or lack of motivation, dirty classrooms or wall scribbled, saying bad words or disrespectful things to teachers, throwing food in cafeteria, and bullying. Now moving on to peer ranking. The first step in our process was to understand how these 10 problems are important to our 6 delegated members. We use peer ranking to collect everyone's opinion. We created a composition table where our 6 delegated members assigned a score to every single problem. The highest and our top priority is bullying with the frequency of 44, which is followed by the students weak in studies or lack of motivation with the 35, with the frequency of 35, and three problems, student getting into relationship, this saying bad words or disrespecting teachers, and dirty classrooms or wall scribbled are tied at 41. Now moving on to Pareto matrix. During the survey, you can see the photos we clicked during our survey in different classes. Now moving on to Pareto matrix. To move to subjective opinion to objective fact, we use the most powerful principle known as Pareto principle. It is also called 80-20 rule. This roughly states that 80% of the problem comes due to the 20% of the causes. We sorted the problem by their frequency. The total number of problems observed is 270. Our top 3 problem is bullying, saying bad or disrespectful things to teachers, and students weak in studies or lack of motivation. Now, moving on to the next topic, Pareto diagram. Pareto diagram visually shows the bar and line graphs of the frequency and cumulative percentage of the problems we analyze. By saying this much, I would like to hand over this mic to our next delegated member, Pritika Khatka.